I found an amazing product on Etsy, and this product is generating thousands of sales. And of course, that means thousands of dollars every single month. And if you take advantage of this opportunity, design this product the same way I'm going to show you in this video and sell it the right way, I'm telling you, you can make a lot of sales. And we're not stopping at just designing the product. This video is going to be completely comprehensive, starting from designing the product, then moving on to creating Etsy listing images, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. All the links I used, you'll find them in the video description and the pinned comment. And every single tool I use will also be linked down below. So let's jump straight into the product. If we go directly to it, you'll see that this product made 2 sales in the last 24 hours, and the seller is pricing it at around $8. And what is this product? It's basically a sticker of a goose with funny phrases on it. The customer simply cuts out the goose and sticks it on their laptop, notebook, or anything they want. That's the whole product idea. Now, if you want to buy just one sticker, there are multiple options. For example, a 6-inch sticker will cost you about $8.50 for a single piece. And if we look up here, you'll notice that Etsy has labeled this seller as a top seller, which means they've been getting a lot of sales consistently over the past 6 months. Now, let's take a look at the product images, and just wow, look at this. It's a goose with a slightly funny look, and it says, "Today, I'm a serious goose." These kinds of funny phrases attract buyers like crazy. You can stick this large sticker on your laptop, your books, or anywhere you like, and it just stands out. And it doesn't stop there. If we scroll down a bit, you'll see this seller has tons of reviews, almost all 5 stars, and they're recent. That tells us this seller is making a lot of sales right now, which makes this product perfect for getting started. Now, let's check out other sellers. You'll find they're selling the same goose, but at much higher prices. And I'm not just going to show you how to design this goose, we're going to outperform these sellers, and you'll see that with your own eyes very soon. And don't worry, the competition is low for this product. There aren't many sellers, and the ones that exist are all making great sales. And we're not going to sell just one phrase. We'll create multiple phrases together, and you'll see that very soon. And it's not just about the goose. You'll find other animals too, like this funny cat. So don't limit yourself to one product. I want you to get creative. Keep watching until the end of this video because I'll show you everything in detail. Now I know what you're thinking. Do I have to design the product, then go to a sticker factory, print a bunch of stickers, and ship them myself? The answer is no. In this video, we're going to use an amazing platform called Printful. It's a well-known print-on-demand service. All we have to do is design the goose, upload it to Printful very easily, and when a customer places an order, Printful will automatically print the sticker and ship it directly to the customer. And you keep the profit. It's super simple, and it won't cost you anything up front. Just trust me on this. And for designing the goose, we're going to use Kittl, an incredible design platform that uses AI to create images, videos, mockups, and more, very easily. We've used it many times before, and I personally love this tool because it's simple, precise, and gives me great results from the first try. And you're about to see that for yourself. And I also want to thank the Kittl team because they gave all my followers an exclusive 25% discount on all plans, including the yearly plan. When you click the link I'll leave for you in the pinned comment and in the description, and use the code MOINCOMEYT. Now let's jump straight into the practical part. We're going directly to Printful, and right here in the product section, you'll find almost every type of product you can imagine, from clothing to home essentials to accessories and so much more. But in our case, we want to create a sticker. So I'm going to head to the search bar and type sticker. You'll see multiple options appear. Now the first sticker allows you to print multiple stickers on the same sheet, but the second one is priced at $2.30, which is very cheap, and it prints one large sticker, and that's exactly what I want. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Now take a look at this. This sticker is very similar. It's large and it perfectly matches the size we saw earlier on Etsy. And the price? Super competitive compared to what we saw before. As for the sizes, you've got multiple options. 3 by 3 inches, 4 by 4, 5.5 by 5.5, and even a very large size like 15 by 3 inches. But I don't want that. I'm going for the medium size, 5.5 by 5.5 inches. So I'll select that and then click on Start Designing. This will instantly take us to the design page. Now here we are on the design interface. From the Upload section, if you already have a design ready, you can upload it and it will instantly turn into a sticker. And we will use this section later because, as I told you, we're going to design using Kittl. Over here in the text section, if you type anything, it will automatically turn into a sticker, just like you see. So if you want to create a text-based sticker, you can easily do it from here. And you'll also find ready-made stickers, patterns, and awesome designs directly inside Printful. But as I said, we want to design a professional, eye-catching goose using AI with Kittl. So let's jump over to Kittl and create a new design with dimensions. 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. Exactly the same size as the sticker we selected earlier. Now, since we want to use AI to generate this goose, we'll need a prompt first. You might be thinking, it's hard to write a professional prompt, but here's the great part. Kittl actually has a built-in chat feature powered by ChatGPT. You can literally chat with it and it will help you generate a high-quality prompt. And not only that, I've already prepared 20 professional prompts for you. Just let me know in the comments. Drop any comment below and I'll send you the file for free. These prompts were created with real experience and a high level of professionalism. So for example, let's say I want to create this second design. I'll copy the prompt, then head back to Kittl and paste it right here at the bottom. Now Kittl is a very powerful platform. It even has a prompt enhancement feature. If you click on it, it will help you refine and improve your prompt automatically. And here in the Style section, you can choose the visual style of your image, which is also extremely useful if you're creating coloring books or other designs. From here, you can also select the AI model you want to use. Kittl supports most of the latest and most advanced AI models. This time, we're going to use Nano Banana Pro 4K, so we get ultra high quality images and make our sticker look super sharp and professional. For the dimensions, I'll keep it at 1:1 ratio. And in the last option, we choose how many images we want to generate. I'll go with 4 images. Then we click Generate, and within seconds, Kittl will create 4 professional designs for us. Now all you have to do is pick the one you like the most. Personally, I really like the first one, so I'm going to go with it and use it for the rest of the design. And after that, all I have to do to remove the background is click on the Remove Background button. Kittl will professionally remove the background in just 1 second. Then I'll simply drag the goose and place it onto the main artboard, the primary page. After that, I'll go back to my file and copy the phrase that we're going to place next to the goose, which is a funny sentence. Now to add the text, I'll click on the T icon in the bottom menu and paste the text I copied from the original file I created for you. From the right panel, you can easily and professionally edit the text. And one of the best things about Kittl is that it has hundreds of fonts you can choose from. You can easily pick a font that matches your style. For example, I found this awesome font, so I'm going to use it. You can also customize the text color very professionally. I really want you to explore this panel. It's incredibly powerful, and it will help you not just with stickers, but also with designing t-shirts. And here's something even better. They have ready-made text styles that are already professionally designed. You'll find them in the text section on the left side menu, and you can use them instantly. Now that we've added the text, our first sticker is officially ready. We can download it immediately. And the great thing about Kittl is that you can export your designs in 300 dpi quality, which is perfect for print. So I'll go ahead and download this first design, because we're going to use it in Printful very soon. And here's a very important tip, my friend. Don't just create one sticker. You should create a collection of stickers using the same goose character and fill your store with these designs. Now to do that, and create a new sticker while keeping the same goose character from the first page, it's actually very easy in Kittl. Because if you just add a new artboard and paste a different prompt, it will generate a completely new design, and the goose will look different from the first one. But we want all stickers to have the same character. And this is where Kittl's amazing feature comes in, called Image Board. On the right side of the first page, you'll see a small purple dot. If you click on it, you can create an AI image that is linked to the original design. Not only that, you can also create videos and mockups from here. And don't forget, I promised you that by the end of this video, we'll create a professional mockup using Kittl, so make sure you watch until the end. Now I'll click on the first option, which is creating an AI image board. This new page will be linked to the first one, so let's go back to the prompt file, copy, for example, the third prompt, and paste it right here. Then I'll choose the AI model. Let's go with Nano Banana Pro again. Keep the dimensions the same, and click Generate. And just like that, in 1 second, it creates a new goose image, but with the same character style as the first one. That's exactly what we want. All designs using the same goose, just in different poses and situations. After that, I'll select the second page, click on Flatten, and then click Remove Background to clean it up. Then I'll add this second goose into a new main artboard, and add the text for this second design, just like we did before. Very simple. I hope now you understand how easy it is to design stickers using Kittl while keeping the same character style. And for the third time, very quickly, we add an AI image board, go to the file, copy the prompt, generate the image, then click Flatten, remove the background, add it to a new main page, and place the text next to it. And just like that, you can create multiple stickers and download them easily. Now let's go back to Printful and very easily upload the designs we created on Kittl. As soon as we upload the design, you'll see it automatically transform into this amazing sticker. Honestly, I'm blown away by the result, and I'm confident this looks even better than what we saw on Etsy. I really hope you take advantage of this opportunity and build a full online store filled with these awesome stickers. Now at the top, you'll find a section called Mockups. If we click on it, you'll see that the sticker is automatically placed into different mockups. For example, you'll see it on a laptop, on a car, and many other scenes. You can use these images on your store and on your social media platforms to boost your sales and make your product look super professional. After that, we'll click on Save Template so we can publish this design to our online store. You'll notice the base price is very cheap, around $2.70. You can set your own selling price and still be cheaper than competitors on Etsy, which gives you a huge advantage. And if you click on these 3 dots here, you'll find options to edit the product, delete it, and access other important settings. Then we click on Publish, and from here, if you choose to connect your online store, you can link it to almost any platform. Whether your store is on Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy, you can connect it very easily. All you have to do is log into your account here, and it will automatically sync and publish your product. And just like I promised you at the beginning of the video, let's create professional mockups using Kittl. If we go back to Kittl and want to create a mockup for the first design, all we have to do is click on the purple dot on the right side of the page, and this time choose Mockup. Instantly, it will apply the mockup to your design. Inside Kittl, you'll find hundreds of ready-made scenes. Just click on any image and your design will be applied to it professionally in seconds. Then simply download the mockups you like and post them on your social media platforms. The process is very simple, and I truly hope you learned something valuable from this video. If you want the file I created, just leave a comment and I'll send it to you. And don't forget, Printful offers way more than just stickers. It includes almost every type of product you can imagine. I'll see you in a new video. Hope you found this helpful, and goodbye.